Today I'm just chilling in my house, vlogging, you know. And, whoa, where are you guys going? Whoa. I'm riding in my car. Yeah. We're stuck. I'm just gonna get out. That was fun riding my toy car. I'm just kidding, my brother's toy car. Ugh. Okay, cool. Back out, you know. I think the battery's dead. I'm gonna go charge the battery. There we go. Here we go. We got the battery. It's kind of heavy, but we need keys. Come on. Yo guys, we got the key and we're gonna go plug in the battery for the car. Our poor little car isn't working right now. I think it's a she because it's a Cadillac. Let's call her Callie, I guess. Moment of truth. I want to show you guys our awesome storage room. 3, 2, 1. That's sick. Pretty cool, huh? Look. Wait, I forgot. Yeah, you grab the battery and you plug it in right here. Perfect. So right now we're heading into the mattress place. We'll see you then. Yo guys, I'm here at IKEA. This is like a furniture place. We're gonna go check it out in here, so stay tuned for more. They have an Xbox. Like, what the heck? It's time to play my Xbox. It's not working. I'm disappointed with this place. It doesn't have Xbox that work, you know. Do you guys like our new living room? It's pretty sick. Welcome back to my house. I'm wondering if these are like free or what. Sweet apple cider. I don't know. Dab. Yo, this dude should put some clothes on. That guy knows how to do it. Put some clothes on. I mean, what the heck? Why is he doing that? Can I interview you? Okay.
That office isn't for playing in.
Okay, I'm sorry. We got kicked out. We're going to Costco now. We're gonna eat some pizza, wrap up this vlog. We're on this awesome wall. And look, I found a cockroach. What the heck? Yeah, but they can live through anything. We might want to leave it alone. Hopefully they have Wi-Fi here, right? That's good. So it looks like we got our pizza and our drinks. How's it going? How's it going, bro? I don't know anymore. Time to get some eating done. I'm pretty excited. Pizzas, they're huge. That's a big pizza, wow. No, it's because their head can't eat. So that was a good pizza sesh. I guess you could call it a pizza sesh because it is, I guess. Yeah.